Here I've got Huawei MediaPad T5 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. At the very beginning you have to find and select the settings, then scroll down and pick security and privacy, then go to the bottom of the list and expand more options. One more time scroll down and here you will notice install unknown apps. Click on it and now you can specify which apps can be other application installed from. So let me pick for example Gmail, let me activate it. So from now on it's allowed to app installs from Gmail. Let me go back, maybe from Facebook, Huawei Video and all the others. So just personalize it, pick whichever app you want to and then it will be allowed to install something from those sources. So that would be all. This is how you can allow unknown sources on your device on your Huawei MediaPad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.